Hey guys, we're here at Trough Creek. We're going to try to do some hiking. It's kind of raining a little bit right now, so we'll see how it goes, but we're going to go check out Rainbow Falls, the Balancing Rock, and the Suspension Bridge. Stay tuned.
We got a guest here with us today. We got Brady hanging out with us this weekend. So we're going to have a little bit of extracurricular fun video. And we got the dogs with us. So hopefully it's going to be good. We're calling for rain this afternoon. And it's raining already. So stay tuned to see what the day looks like.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here. I'm not afraid to get wet, but it'll be fun with the dogs, with my aunt and uncle here, and just spending quality time with each other, and hopefully getting some tread off our boots as we march through some mud or some trails, whatever it may be at this rain. But we're going to have fun. It's my first time camping in a while, and we're going to live the outdoor lifestyle.
All right, we are at the famous Balancing Rock. There's Boulder Trail here. We're gonna take the dogs out and see how far they'll go with us on this rainy day. The rain is lightening up, but maybe I'm just underneath a tree. We'll keep you tuned and let you know how it goes.
Different year, different people to do this hike with, but still awesome.
I mean, it's my first time here checking out Balanced Rock. It's pretty cool. You can see at the bottom, but the view up here, definitely balancing.
Well, we're on the rhododendron trail. As you can see behind me, there's nothing but rhododendrons, and we're just about down to the bottom, back to the river. So we made it. We're gonna get back to the cars next. Rain held off. We just gotta find our way home.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good honey.
She's super close, but doesn't know it. Or does she know it?
I think I kind of walked up that road, but we're on the other side of the shed. She's really close to it. She's gonna make a hard left now and she's gonna eat it right away. She's at it. Good girl. Good girl. She's a good girl.
All right, well, Brady and I are spending our afternoon. We just took Cincy out for a trail. She's got a test next week to be tracking certified, and she did a great job. She found both her targets today, so we're walking back to the truck, but we're also gonna do a little bit of a photo shoot for her before we get her back in the truck.
This is Cincy. Oh shit, I forgot something. All right, there's take one. This is Cincy. She's a deer tracking machine. And I'm Brady Mentzer, and together we make up the Cincy Deer Recoveries team. This is Cincy. She's a deer tracking machine. And I'm Brady Mentzer, and together we make up Cincy's Deer Recovery team. This is Cincy. She's a deer tracking machine. And I'm Brady Mentzer, and together we make up Cincy's Deer Recovery team. This is Cincy, and I forgot the deer tracking. This is Cincy. She's a deer tracking machine, and I'm Brady Mentzer. This is Cincy. She's a deer recovery machine. This is Cincy, and she's a deer tracking machine, and I'm Brady Mentzer, and together we make up the Cincy's Deer Recovery team.
You need an ice mine break? It's right here.
Oh man, this feels like the temperature's dropped 20 degrees. It's all coming from out underneath here. And I bet you that's a great place for a big old burly bear to live. This is the ice mine.
Bet you there's a polar bear under there.
Dude, it's freezing down here.
Feels great.
It is like air conditioning coming from underneath the mountain.
So we had a busy day today. We did a lovely hike. We saw a balancing rock. Then we came back to the campsite. We decided to go on a little adventure. We checked out the lake and basically found a place where we could shower later so we can get a good night's sleep and feel refreshed. And then we wrapped up with a dog track training for my dog here, Cincy. And after that, we just kind of sat down and got pretty comfortable. You'll hear it's very quiet by the campground here because we're just hanging out and just relaxing. So we're catching up here with some small talk and just talking through some things, but it's a really relaxing weekend, and that's what we're doing right now.
When you have 3 dogs and a shared community water bowl, and the dogs are on leads like this, it's just a matter of time before that thing gets knocked over on its side. All right, I'm just checking in here one last time. Sun's starting to go down. We got food on the fire. Brady's untangling the dogs here.
It's a mess.
They are tangled up and barking at just about everything that walks past through here. We're just chilling out here the rest of our time. We had a great time at Trough Creek State Park, and enjoyed the waterfalls, all the amenities, and even getting out to Raystown Lake. It was a good time. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you drop a comment, subscribe, leave us a message, tell us what you want to tell us, and we'll be sure to respond to every comment that comes through on this video. Thanks. See you next time.